Today I bring you the Vitamix blender. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the best product reviews. You have the link in the description and in the pinned comment to buy it at the best price on offer. Vitamix blenders are known for their power, durability, and versatility in food preparation. Here are some key aspects usually associated with these blenders. Motor power. Vitamix blenders are usually equipped with high-powered motors that allow mixing and blending a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to ice, achieving consistent and smooth blends. Preparation versatility. They are versatile and can be used to make smoothies, soups, sauces, purees, nut butter, and even for grinding whole grains, making them an integral tool in the kitchen. Robust construction. These blenders are designed with high-quality materials that provide them with long-term durability and resistance, allowing frequent and extended use. Speed control and preset functions. They often have variable speed controls to adjust the power according to the desired consistency, and some have preset programs for different recipes, making them easy to use. Ease of cleaning. Many models have self-cleaning functions that simplify the cleaning process, and most are dishwasher safe, making cleaning quick and easy. Price and value. Generally, Vitamix blenders have a higher price compared to other brands in the market, but their quality, performance, and durability are highly valued by those looking for a high-end and versatile blender. I hope you liked it. Remember, you have the link in the description and pinned comment to buy it at the best offer price.